Hey y'all, hey girl, ain't this a mess? Okay, so I decided to braid my hair. Um, I wasn't sure if I was gonna go ahead and start me some individual micro locks, but shout out to Shonda. She was like, "Girl, just go ahead and braid it and put it in a protective style." So that's what I'm doing. Um, Great. It's colder than the witches. You know what? Out here, we don't have no snow yet, but baby, it feel like it's some snow all around us. I believe the high today was like 26 degrees. But anywho, so I went and did my little running around because I knew I got everything I needed to do, out the way, and because I'm gonna sit down and try to finish the rest of my head. So yes, I did start at the front. Normally, like when I first learned how to braid hair, I basically will always do around the sides just in case I got tired. I can always put it up in a ponytail. But I got so, I guess you could say I started doing that so much to where I was like, girl, I hardly ever did the middle. I just go ahead and braid it right quick and rock a pony. I said, I'm not doing that no more. And plus, we going to do feed ins. So I'm like, okay, well, let me go ahead and start on the front. I went and got me some, really good combs and stuff so I can part my hair good. And I'm just basically sitting up in my room working on this here. And I'm hoping, um, even if I don't get it done today, I'm cool with that because I can get up and finish it tomorrow because it's gonna be a little ice on the ground. And I'm not going nowhere. I don't have no for real plans. But I was like, girl, stop walking around here looking like you know what I'm saying, you unloved and whatnot like that, cold, because it's cold, you know what I'm saying. So I said, let me go and put. But then again, it's like, girl, your scalp gonna be cold, but it's okay. I got hats and stuff to wear, but yeah, I'm just gonna braid my hair and y'all just watch the rest of the video. Yeah, so I'm in here trying to do my little voiceover, and all you hear is my son all the way on the other side making all that noise. You hear that on the game? Anyway, y'all. So yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying this video. Go ahead and watch it all the way to the end. Just let it ride all the way out so I can get my little watch hours. Whoop de whoop. Because I hardly ever do any actual just videos. But yeah, I'm getting ready to braid this hair. Because baby, we gonna do a little facial next. We're gonna get these eyebrows together. I don't want no nails or nothing like that. Because girl, I work with my hands too much. And it'll be in my way. And plus, I might have to go do, some touch up on my hair or my daughter's hair, and I don't want, nails to be in my way. I might paint them, a little something, something. But yeah.